Hello September. This footage has been sat in my video editor for more than 2 weeks now. I love September and autumn and all the cosy vibes, but I've had real trouble in finding the story that I want to tell in this bunch of random autumnal farm life clips. So instead, let me walk you through how this time of year just lights me up. Most of my life, this has been my favourite time of year. I say most of my life because in more recent years I find myself longing for the sparkle of spring throughout the darker months. But growing up, autumn was everything. The smell of wood smoke when Dad lit the first fire of the season. Adding cosy layers over summer clothes on the cooler mornings, not quite ready to pull on the winter sweaters and woolies, but just enough to take the chill off. Mealtimes becoming more hearty and smells permeating the whole house as stews and casseroles cooked slowly in the Aga. The hedges literally come to life with ample food for us and the birds. Berries that even the youngest forager can identify, and new season apples with a new season crunch that the other months can only dream about. Sleep always feels deeper to me when the air around my face is cool. Pulling the duvet up around my neck rarely happens in summer, and it's such a cosy, nurturing feeling that I love. Fresh sweet tomatoes, baked apples with plump sultanas inside, swollen from the juice of the apples. Cinnamon everything. Mum peeling sour old cooking apples from our ancient orchard to freeze for pies and crumbles during the winter. A lamb that I named and bottle fed before school in the spring, now reappearing for Sunday lunch. It's a time of moving inward, planning winter projects to keep your mind and hands occupied when lounging under the shade of your favourite elder tree with an iced coffee and your bare feet in the grass is no longer possible. A nagging urge to tie up all the outdoor jobs and projects that were started and maybe abandoned earlier in the year. Giving the chook house its annual deep clean and getting the girls ready for winter. Frantically collecting and dehydrating as many herbs and leaves and seeds and plants as I can before they all retreat back to the earth for another year. And finally, giving thanks for a beautiful summer with the people I love and the freedom to chase my dreams in whatever crazy directions they may take me in that moment. Happy autumn, friends, and I'd love to know what's making you feel grateful this September, if you'd care to share in the comments below.